and a warm welcome from South Africa. This is the Honest Minute with Rishani Meyer, and we're going to discuss a very interesting topic, especially if you're a Christian and in business. What step do you need to take in faith today to get you closer to your dream or goal? And I think a lot of us as entrepreneurs, we get stuck in the planning phase, in that business plan concept. And it's keeping us stuck, literally. It's keeping us not wanting to move forward in fear because we're too scared. What if this plan is not going to work? What's going to be my next step? And you've got all these questions, but the fastest way to learn is to take action, is to jump into it. And we know it, we see it all over the world. All the successful entrepreneurs don't waste time. They get going, they learn along the way, and that's how you get in front. That's how you get successful. So stop maybe to think that you need to plan everything perfectly before you get going. Take action today, move in faith, and let God guide you and see where you get. Wishing you all a fantastic day. Keep well.